friends, it's Arun here, and we are going to talk about something very interesting, very useful, and I'm going to share with you a couple of actions which, if you undertake in your personal life, you are going to get amazing results in terms of positivity, in terms of happiness, in terms of amazing degree of satisfaction with your life, and this is all possible. This can happen with just 2 or 3 actions which I'm going to talk about. So friends, of course this is the days of lockdown, so I can't shoot this video outside home, but let me try and do my best. And we are talking about the power of positive thinking. So friends, the first thing which I would recommend to all of you to do is to make a habit to appreciate at least 2 or 3 people every single day. If you can't appreciate 3 people, just appreciate at least 1 person. Make it a habit. It's not about the number of people, it's about building the mindset of a person who looks for positivity in others. That's very important. So you can appreciate 1 person every single day. This person can be somebody from your family. This person can also be somebody from your office colleagues. This person can be somebody from social media. You see somebody making a nice post which is inspiring, which is good, which is positive. In these days, just send a message. But the best way of appreciating somebody is to make a call, is to send a WhatsApp message, or to talk to somebody face to face. That's the best way. So make it a habit to appreciate at least 1 person every single day. That's action number 1. And we are talking about how to build a positive life around us, how to build the mentality, psychology, mindset of a very positive person. So action number 1 is taken. Now action number 2, you need to make it a habit to look at anything around you and appreciate those things. The best way for you to do these things could be while going to the office or coming back from office in the evening. If you take the example of you driving to your office, you can appreciate things like the people who are cleaning the road, because it's because of these people that the road is safe. There are less number of gravels on the road, and that makes your driving safe. What you can do is to appreciate the traffic police, because it's because of these people that you have got a safer driving experience. You can also appreciate co-travelers, especially those who are following the traffic rules. So you can also appreciate some of the shops which are beside the road, which might be selling, for example, in my case, bun muscan tea, which I love in Pune. And because of these places, I have got some of the most beautiful experiences, especially in the morning, while going for a cycling tour, while going for walking, while going for jogging, and then for sparring, and then coming and sitting at one of these addas and have some bun muscan tea. So think about these things and appreciate life. Appreciate. So you can do this second action also, and that is to appreciate anything and everything which you see, which might seem to be mundane things in life, but this will not seem to be mundane to you, because you are a person who knows how to appreciate, how to get the juices out of even the worst of life circumstances, because we are talking about the mindset of a winner, the mindset of a positive person. Appreciate at least 1 quality of yours, which is very important. The third very important point for you to take action on: always know how to appreciate at least a couple of qualities of yours, and you can do that every single day. Make it a habit. Always remember, we are talking about building a habit. We are not talking about doing something once in a while and then forgetting it, because the power, the magic lies in repetition. Repeat it. So do it every single day, right? So make it a habit to think about 2 or 3 great things about you, and say to yourself, you can do that in the morning. Believe me, the number of people around you who are going to remind you of your weakness is not small. There are a large number of people who are going to talk about your weaknesses, but the responsibility of knowing your strengths, knowing your value, knowing your talents, knowing your faculties, knowing your hidden qualities lies only and only with you, because we are talking about you as a person who takes full accountability for your happiness, for your growth, for your success, for your positivity, for your mindset, for your excellence in all aspects of life. are the 3 actions I wanted to talk to you about, and let me talk about the 4th action, which is a bonus action. And this action is taking something as a token which will remind you of positivity. For example, you can take a little pebble. There are little pebbles which you will get in nursery. Typically the pebbles which are kept in a flower pot, right? Take one pebble which can come in a palm. And it has to be smooth, and write on that pebble magic rock. And whenever you look at this pebble, think about one gratitude, one blessing which you have got in your life, and keep this pebble at a place which is visible to you. For example, you can keep this pebble, in this case in this temple, right? You can keep this pebble at a place where you can see it. You can keep it in one of the one of these. So you can also keep it in one of the cupboards, right, at a place where it is visible to you. And then you, whenever you look at this pebble, and do that once in a while, every day. So whenever you look at this pebble, you have to think of one blessing that you are endowed with, one blessing, one blissful thing about you, and think about that blessing. Thank God, thank you destiny, and look at this pebble, do it once in a day minimum. Okay, now what will happen is that your mind will start making connection. Your subconscious mind will build a connection between that pebble and positivity. You will get across situations which might not be very happy. So all that we are going to do, and let me take a pause, let me show you my little kid. Hi Alishko, how are you?
I'm good.
Alishko, how are you?
I'm good.
All good? Wow, Alishko, we love you. Alishko, you're so cute. Thank you.
Call me Dana.
So Alishko has applied some soap in her hands, and we are going to clean it up now. She is going to get scolded by her mom. So coming back, so this pebble is going to become a source of positivity for your subconscious mind. And whenever you feel like being under pressure, being surrounded by negativity, or whenever you have seen some news and there is no dearth of news which is negative, or whenever you feel like looking for positivity, look at this pebble. And while looking at this pebble, you can think of any blessing. For example, this blessing can be that of your family moments. This blessing can be that of you spending some great time with your kids. This blessing can be that of you having a nice time with your spouse. This blessing can be that of you having read a nice book, maybe one page of a book which was enthralling, which was beautiful, an experience. This positivity, this blessing, this blissful moment could be that of one painting which you made. This blessing can be that of one webinar which you conducted. I mean, that's in my case. This blessing can be that of one nice call which you got from one of your old friends. This blessing can be that of you having a nice, beautiful home which is keeping you safe and healthy and happy and whatnot. So this blessing can be anything, and believe me when I say so, you can think of and write not 5, not 10, but hundreds of blessings every single day. People are doing it. So this is something which is within your hands, right? You can do it. It won't take you more than 5 minutes. Do these 4 things, take these 4 actions. And which are these actions? The first action is that of you appreciating at least 1 to 3 people every single day. The second action will be that of you appreciating you for some of the qualities which you have got. The third action will be that of you appreciating some of these things which you see in daily life. The same things which are going to appear as mundane and ritual things for others are going to be the source of positivity for you, because you are going to appreciate these little things in life. And once you appreciate these little things in life, you build the mindset of a person who can appreciate things in a much better, much bigger way. And you also start living in the moment, because for you to be able to appreciate things, you need to be in the moment. While going from home to the office, you can't appreciate a traffic police inspector who is trying to make your drive safer unless you are in the moment. You can't do that while thinking about your office presentation which is going to come up, right? So, and the fourth action is that of taking a token of something which will become the symptom, the symbol, or the representation of something great and positive in life. Take these 4 actions, life is going to be absolutely full of blessings, happiness, delightful moments. And here at this moment, on this nice note, on this positive note, it's Arun signing off. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep in touch. Thank you. Bye-bye.